Hello everyone. I welcome you all on behalf of Department of NCC Division K.T.H.M. College Nashik. Myself Capt.Shaila Mengane, State NCC Girls Division K.T.H.M. College. In front induction program, today we are going to know more about our girls division. An old Chinese proverb reads, for your country, if you plan for a year, sow paddy. If you plan for a decade, plant trees. And if you plan for the future, nurture youth. This is where the National Cadet Corps proves its significance. The National Cadet Corps came into existence on 16 July 1948 under the 31st NCC Act of 1948 based on the recommendation of Pandit H.N. Kunzru Committee. NCC was started with strength of 38,500 boys cadets. Girls cadets were added in Army wing in 49, Air wing in 50, and Naval wing in 50. The initial stage, NCC was confined mainly to the urban areas. Today, NCC has spread every corner of the country, having more than 13 lakh cadets. The National Cadet Corps, which has both boys and girls as cadets, has the basic aim of developing the character qualities in the youth to make them good citizens of the society and worthy leader of the future in every walk of life. NCC is the only organization of its kind which impart leadership, discipline, integration, ad- adventure, military, physical, and community development training over 13 lakhs of the country. Our unit is working under one Maharashtra Girls Battalion NCC of Mumbai B Group in Maharashtra Directorate, popularly known as Champion Directorate. The year of establishment is 1970 with girls strength 80. Motto of NCC is unity and discipline, and the cardinals are obey with smile, be punctual, work hard without fuss, make no excuse, and tell no lies. Aims of NCC are develop character, comradeship, discipline, leadership, secular outlook, spirit of adventure, and ideal of service among the youth of the country. Create a human resource of organized, trained, and motivated youth to provide leadership in all walks of life and always be available for the service of the nation. Provide a suitable environment to motivate the youth to take up career in the armed force. While selecting cadets in NCC, this criteria is considered. Student should be citizen of India or a subject of Nepal. He must have enrolled in our college physically and medically fit. Age limit is 16 to 26 years. Height should be in between 5.2, minimum height 5.2 to 5.4 for girls. Educational qualification, she should be in first and second year of junior or senior college. Enrollment period is 3 years. Army wing wears khaki uniform with green beret and black drill march shoes called as DM shoes. This uniform is compulsory in all occasions and other than drill activities, cadets wear tracksuit or white salwar kameez with canvas shoes. Different ranks are given to the NCC cadets and they are senior under officer, junior under officer, quartermaster, sergeant, corporal, lance corporal. Army training. The cadets are given basic military training in small arms and parades. It includes drill, firing, FCBC, weapon training, personality development, disaster management, social awareness and community development, health and hygiene, adventure activities, environment awareness and conservation, obstacle training, map reading, introduction of infantry weapons and equipments, military history and communications. Our college has a training ground with 400-meter track, NCC obstacle course, training facility is also available in our college. Total training period for NCC is 3 years with an extension of 1 year permissible. Every cadet has to undergo service training for a period of at least 4 hours per week during the training year. However, no training is carried out during the vacation, and cadet has undergo service training for minimum period of 75%. Washing, polishing, and refreshment allowance is given to the cadets. It is according to state policy. Every cadet has to attend an annual training camp of 10 days. At the end of camp training, the cadet received a certificate of success completion. During the camp, TADA and messing is provided by the government. Unit level camps are annual training camp, Sainik training camp, Republic Day training camp, base cadet preparation. State level camps are intergroup competition of Sainik and Republic Day, basic leadership camp, hospital attachment, and army attachment camp. These attachment camps are organized at Army Unit, that is Military Hospital and Artillery Center, Nashik Road. Centrally organized camp means national level camps. It includes Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, Advanced Leadership Camp, National Integration Camps, Thal Sainik Camps, Republic Day camps, both at New Delhi, national sports, national level shooting competitions at Asansol, West Bengal, youth exchange program, visit to friendly foreign countries. The participation of our cadet in national camps like RDC, Prime Minister Rally, National Integration Post, RDC at Mumbai after winning PM banner. There is a celebration of post RDC at Mumbai. Taking camp, these are national level camps. National Integration Camp, Kerala, Jaisalmer. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Camp, which was organized 2018 in our college. Adventure activities have been incorporated in training with the aim of inculcating and strengthening leadership trait among the cadets, and they are cycle motorcycle expedition, trekking expedition, mountaineering, and rock climbing training camp. Youth exchange program is to increase international understanding and booster awareness. These exchanges are done with NCC community of 10 countries, namely Australia, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Canada, Maldives, Nepal, Singapore, UK, Russia, and Vietnam. NCC itself is a contribution in nation building through its activities like training program, camps, social service, etc. These activities directly contribute to nation building and also the qualities, thoughts, experience, and other manners which are learned by the NCC cadets contribute indirectly by making them good citizens. These are our cadets of honor, which were participated selected for RDC, PSC at New Delhi, PM Rally at New Delhi, then National Games, National Cultural Program, Trekking Camp, etc. NCC cadets are granted some incentives in the form of scholarship. These incentives are Cadet Welfare, Best Cadet Award, Chief Minister, Command Scholarship, Sham Benegal, State Government, Ashok Mhatre Scholarship. These are the details of scholarship awarded our students since last 5 years. Here under officer Poonam Patil awarded with CM scholarship by Uddhavji Thackeray in January 20. Community development activities like importance of self-help need to protect the environment. It includes AIDS awareness rally, plastic ban, social justice day rally, water conservation camp, International Day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking, save Godavari, blood donation, save environment, Swachhata Hi Seva, organ donation awareness, social justice day, pulse polio immunization, Olympic day run, AIDS awareness, save girl child. Our cadets are also work as a volunteer in MEP Marathon, which is organized every year by our parent institute, MEP Samaj. Culminating point of NCC training is B and C certificate exam. For B certificate exam, eligibility is like this. Cadet must be in second year of NCC training, must have attended one camp with training attendance 75%. For C certificate exam, cadet must have passed B certificate and must be in third year, attendance of 75% in training period and must have attended two camps. The performance of our cadets in B and C certificate exam since 10 years. Now see how NCC helps you. Active participation in NCC activity helps you imbibe officer-like qualities unknowingly. NCC keeps you physically fit and mentally tough. Become a dynamic person. Social activities in NCC brings out your hidden qualities which are accessed at SSB. The university gives high grace marks to NCC cadets appearing at various degree examinations. Nowadays, in credit system, 2 credits are given to NCC cadet. 3 marks are given for admission in medical college. Benefit in RDC cadet, NCC cadets holding certificate and taken part in Republic Day parade to Delhi will now be exempted from entrance exam for recruitment into Division 4. Girl cadets can get different job. Girl cadets may choose career as army officer, full-time lady officer, and girl cadet instructor. NCC Special Entry Scheme for Senior week graduate in OTA in group 19 to 25 year with 50% marks through DDJ of the state for direct interview every year. The cadets are exempted from serious exam conducted by UPSC. One can easily identify NCC cadet in job because NCC cadet looks confident, disciplined, helpful, and easily accept the additional responsibility. Many incentives provided by the cadet by paramilitary force, that is BSF, CISF, Coast Guard, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, and Commission of Cadet in Armed Force as officers. Thus, NCC helps to make your career. Thank you. Jai Hind.